ये सर फोटो ले लो मेरा।
Hello, I am audible. Hello. Hello, I am audible. Hello. Please respond me. Is it audible? Hello. Hello, I am audible. Is it my screen is visible? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you are audible and your screen is sharing.
No problem. Okay. Welcome to today's session. I am Dr. Ramnath Andale. Thank to Umera madam invite me and introduce me to all of you. Today I am going to present very simple and who we are all experienced to the whole world. 1 year old COVID-19, and we take the all expense to preparedness and preventive measures of the COVID-19. Basically, the COVID-19, you know that there is a severe acute respiratory syndrome, and there is also commonly known as a coronavirus, and also well commonly known as a COVID-19. You already well known to this is COVID-19 is a new virus, and it is probably know that there is coming from the different there is infestation is come from the different animals and now spread into the human beings. It is literally known, they are unknown to all people what is going to or how it's coming to these things, and then we'll think about the what is going on that. And therefore we are already a whole world are new things to that, the what type of this virus, how their symptoms, how their control, and there is no any medicine, and therefore the whole world there is in horrible situation in last 1 year. Now we think that how the change occurred to the how to the historical things of the COVID-19 and how it originated. This COVID-19, it is new novel virus, and their first time is originated in the China, Wuhan city, and the date of the this new virus is come in the human being investigation about 5th January 2020. The immediately the Indian government there is started the thermal screening of the detection of these viruses, and there is number of people is wandering or there is traveling from the one country to another country, and at that level the India is take the decision or take the priority for the few airport there is thermal scanning of the different that type of patient is, and then this patient is discover they detect it, and then we'll take the next priority to do that patient take the how to control of that COVID virus spreading in our country. The first case is detected in India about this date is 17 January 2020, and after that there is a all government they went to the red signal. They rapidly spread across the globe in the short period. Is it? I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
okay, no problem. And then rapidly short is come across to the first detection is occurred in January 20, and afterwards the spreading is shoot up very short period, and then all over the globe is covered by the COVID-19, and they dangerous to the whole world. And ultimately, this spreading is going on, and our international uh, organization, that is World Health Organization, is declared that this is a pandemic, and then in 11 March 20, and then the whole world is take the very threatened condition, how is come a decision to the how to control the COVID-19. And also the another things is another side, there is no medication, no any medicine is available to against the COVID-19, and then uh, all people, the all health community as well as the normal community, they have the uh, want to the how to precaution measure and how to control and how to the preparation to not any infection coming to the that disease, and therefore we need to the very proper need to the controller to avoid that infestation of the COVID-19. Here we see that the management and prevention of problem in the country level, what the Indian country that take the most decision. And here we see that there is a passenger is come up that service is carried out. In Indian government is a take first priority to the those people has come to the other side or abroad to the your country, and that's the main things. There is first decision, there very good decision is taken by the Indian government. There is strict surveillance and kept in quarantine the all the foreign come people. They may be Indian or they may be foreigners. They put in the quarantine for the 14 days. And afterwards there is early identification is carried out. It may be the any detection is happening. COVID uh, coronavirus is detected in any travelers or the any person in the come from the foreigners. That person is immediately trace out the different contact of that person, and then they trace out the contacts, and then also they take the identify investigation of that person, their contact person, and then they may be the sufferer or they contaminated to the COVID virus or contamination occur in that contacted person. Then the Indian government also take the another one good decision to the social distancing. This is one another important phenomena that related to COVID-19, and the people is also think that there is also needed one important phenomena. There is the social distancing is very important to the to avoid the data of infestation or contamination to the community. Then the next decision is taken by the Indian government in the 16 March 2020. There is all school and colleges there is shut down due to the avoid the spread of COVID-19. And then the another one important thing is also the procure that there is all people is engaged in the health community. They are applied for the PPE kit. We are the PPE kit, and then the one in the health hospital or the any clinic or anywhere there is need to the PPE kit and then kit to the other person. Then 14 March 2020, the Indian government another one decision to the strictly lockdown. The whole country is strictly lockdown. All the people stay in home. They're not socially contact, not in contact to the any other person. And this is a big decision to the big population. India is a big population country, and in that country there is a it may be the spread is very highly spreading is occur. It may not the lockdown is happen, but the lockdown is take the good decision. Indian government, and ultimately it is now situation is all to the COVID pandemic in India. Similarly, also the Indian government to the invest the more economy on that COVID-19. Then go is invest the manage of the preparedness and the prevention measure the COVID. This human government, good decision of the government. Again, inspired they are also the taken about the before lockdown, the one Janta curfew, and the people is supported for that Janta curfew, and then Indian government there is prepared for the lockdown situation. Then there is a confirmation, and then till today there is India is inhibited by the 3.3 1.3 billion people is suffer from the COVID-19, or there is inhibited by the COVID-19, and this is a big number. But there is in related to our population, there is not so big as the 1 crore population, the 1.3 billion people is the 1% population is suffer from the COVID pandemic. And the impact of the lockdown, there is purpose of the prevention measures, there is avoid the contact account of the most of people is not contact to the infected or contaminated person, and ultimately there is people are that situation, or they are not suffer to the any COVID pandemic. Then what are the pictures, or what is the structure of the COVID? We go to just detail. We go through the historical things of the COVID-19, and now we come across to the what the structure. What is the morphological features of that the small viruses is attacking to the human population or human community. Here we see that this is a general virus picture. There is the protein put in the small RNA or DNA RNA genetic material is there, and in that there is the present of the RNA and N protein is found inside the core of the inside the structure. Then in cover with there is present of the hemagglutinin and esterase dimer is present in the cover, and inside there is also the cover of the plasma membrane, and then cover with the spike. There is spike is a glycoprotein, and the spike is act as a major role to the anchoring to the infestation to the different substratum. And this is the actual pictures we are observed. There is graphical way design. This is the picture of the COVID coronavirus. Then how to transfer this COVID person to person? This the direct contact to any contaminated person is contact to the another normal person, and they respiratory any symptoms that happen, there is coughing or sneezing. That condition there is the small droplet comes, and this small droplet is directly contact to the next normal person, and there may be a transmission occurred by the COVID-19. Then any contaminated surface there, we touch it, any surface would any tabletop or anything else, we touch it, and there is have the contamination of the COVID-19. That time transmission is a COVID pandemic to a normal person. Then we are also touching to the eyes, nose, mouth, and it may be on the cheek. There is in any surface of the human body. Also there is on that surface there is virus particle is there. It may be the contamination occur in that situation also. And these are the contamination occur. There is how many, there is what lifespan of that coronavirus, and how where that transmission period. There is community or environment, they have the different type of viruses, but the corona because there is transmission time of that coronavirus is very, very short. Within the 30 minutes there is transfer to the in community or in near a person, and ultimately there is very dangerous. Otherwise the other virus is there in community, but transmission time, there is incubation time is very more than 24 hours, and therefore there is not pandemic condition is created in human community. But the COVID is one of the virus. There is transmission time is very short, and ultimately there is transmission to the in short time they transmitted to the number of people, and ultimately they create the pandemic situation. Then how long there? What are how long there is live on the different surfaces? First, we think that there is any paper or any tissue paper, there is this virus is anchored to that paper. It live up to the 3 hours, and in between the 3 hours, any contact is happen. That may be the transmission chances is happen. Then any copper metal particle is there. That particle or that surface area there is live about 4 hours. Then any cardboard, any box, in paper box or the any cardboard boxes, there is the this lifespan about 24 hours. Then wood atom, any table, benches, then the wood tables, there is also the time period is about 2 days. Then any cloth, the human wear cloth or any cloth, there is time period of the same like to the 2 days. Then in human there is in domestic waste there is have the different type of utensils, and in that conditions there is the any contamination occur in the kitchen waste or a kitchen area. That time there is any contact with the steel uh, present in our kitchens, they this virus live up to the 2 to 3 days. Then any plastic TP or anything there is any contact to the plastic atom, and on that surface there is live up to the 3 days. Then glass atom, there is glass surface they live to the 4 days. Then in the our money or the currency of note, there is live up to 4 days, and the outside of the surgical any mask, any surgical atom, they live up to the 7 days. And these are the big lifespan, they'll big duration they live to the any substratum, and ultimately the 7 days or 3 days or 3 hours to the 7 days live to the different substratum, and ultimately there is contamination chances is more in that situation, and ultimately there is the need to the precaution measures in the that virus. Then here the how is spread it. There is lifespan. We see the different surface. There is live to the different time. But how is spread? How to the bend from the these viruses go to the any cloth, any wood, or any such time. There is any contaminated person is maybe symptomatic. There is coughing or sneezing time. There is different type of droplet is comes outside to the mouth, and then this different droplet is touch to the our hand, skin, or any cloth, any wood particle, any paper, or anywhere, any substratum they go to, and in that the droplet condition there is contamination occur to the different area in around the contaminated person, and there may be the chances to the transmission of the one person to the another person. Then the COVID-19, we are just go through the simple how their symptoms is come across to the. Yeah, just we go to the small video.
ठीक है मैं भोगना मालूम है बच्चे ना
You can see the just graphical representation of the whole starting from the first day to the 22 days. How is the COVID is transmission and how is dangerous to the critical patients. And these are the we have see the different there is come across fever, then cough, then short breathness, then symptoms reported to similar like to common cold or flu. And these common cold symptoms we are seeing, their severity is increased and they develop the pneumonia and of course onset of the breathlessness and ultimately there is dangerous to the human population. Then there is it can also the some other maybe other symptoms also found in the some people or some patients. There may be the muscle ache, then the headache, sudden loss of the sense of the smell and taste, then stuffy nose, diarrhea, rust, and these are the some people they have no any some symptoms. Most of the their mild illness, but it can be served as sometimes as a fetus. Many patients they are recovered fully, or about the 97% of the people is recovered from the corona COVID-19 disease. But and this is fully is up to the 2 weeks, and in other some symptoms of the breathlessness, then fatigue and continue. There these two type of symptoms maybe they continue in some people up to the few weeks or few months. Then there is the detection. How is detected? This is a one very important phenomena. There is detection is very important of the COVID pandemic, and in that situation, there is two parameters is the detection of the COVID pandemic. In here, the there is PCR based and antibody based. These two tests, microarray, these are the microarray based techniques is also available. Then is the cell culture, then CRISPR and immunosensor mechanism is carried out to detection, but this both the antibody detection is short-term method, but otherwise RT-PCR they require 24 hours time, and the culture method they require about 7 to 8 days. And this is the detection time of the COVID pandemic. It depend on the what type of the testing will carry out. Then the which are the labs are most actively work in the detection of the COVID pandemic. And you know that there is a National Institute of Virology. This is the pioneer laboratory in India. There is start the initiation to the COVID-19 detection or testing. Then in same day, there is another 6 to 7 labs is initiated or started by Indian government. There is NIO Bangalore unit also initiate the testing of the. Then Victoria Hospital campus, the KR Road in Bangalore also initiate the testing facility. Then AIMS, then NCDC, Delhi, then Kasturba Hospital in Mumbai, and NIO Kerala. These are the different 6 units that initiated by the starting the testing in the very primary situation, primary condition in India. And afterwards, there is in 31st January, there is increase the there again some other institute that compulsory to the COVID detection. There is ICMR in Kolkata, then GCMS in Secunderabad, then KGMU University in Lucknow, then SMS Jodhpur, then IGGMS in Nagpur, then KIPMR in Chennai. These all the recognized unit or laboratory that is recognized for the or there is appointed for the detection of the COVID-19, and there is testing of the COVID in that. Some other institute also actually participate. Then the 20 March, they are also ICMR also decide to the needed for the more laboratory, then where research diagnostic laboratory and other labs also the get the appellation or the permission for the testing. And that day there is a in remaining about 79 laboratory is initiated to the detect COVID-19 detection. Then we just detection is carried out, and then person is just sent to the hospital and get few treatment. Before this, we just go through the what are the distribution patterns of the COVID-19 in the whole world. This is a very recent picture, recent map of the COVID-19 in the 19 November 2020. We are just observe that. Look at these pictures. Look at this map. How dangerous the COVID-19 is over to the whole world. There is here we started the COVID pandemics or COVID-19 in Wuhan in China, and ultimately is very tenaciously spread to the in 1 year in all over the world and the whole country. We are seeing here there is the large the red mark, dark red mark is a severe country. There is high number of patients is found in, and India also the including the high number of patients in the world. Otherwise, there is the Canada. There is also the present in temperate zone, but ultimately there is the environmental conditions vary, but the COVID is not any effect to the environmental condition to his lifespan, and ultimately is spread in all over the temperate, tropic, subtropic, and the New Oriental zone. There is no any limitation to this COVID pandemic, and ultimately there is very dangerous to the world. Here is we see that the confirmed cases up to till today, there is the confirmed cases in the whole world. The total we are see the numbers is here. There is about these numbers is very big. We see that, and that number of new cases is the daily is detected in the every day. There is till today there is about 6 lakh new cases is detected in the population or in human community, and you see think that the how much bigger number is there, and how many deaths occur in here? About there is we the 13 lakh 50,713 deaths occurs in the till today, and in every day there is we see the new cases in death, or every day we see the death detection in the new cases about the 11,000. And here is the graphical representation how it begins to increase the COVID pandemic patients in the community. With just starting from the 8th March to the 8th November, 19 November. In this period, there is how the numbers is starting from the 8th March, the very smallest numbers of the patients is found in the world. But now we are reached to the very biggest or very highest number in the world. Again, here we see the world scenario of the number of patients and death occur.
तो दे दे लोग कर देंगे.
We are observed that there is the country-wise number of patients we are observed in the country-wise and how many deaths occur. And in that there is a America is the topmost priority. There is the highest number of cases is found in America. Also the 250,000 people are dead due to the COVID pandemic, and the India is the second number in that. There is high number of cases, about 89 lakh patients is found in the India, and there is 1,31,000 deaths occurring in India, and then followed by the Brazil, France, Russia, Spain, United Kingdom, and to Colombia, and all other countries there is
लिफ्ट
in
में
the world. But these are the biggest.
तो अपन भी चला सकते ना.
Please mute the
बच्चे तो नहीं है ना.
unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
हाँ थोड़ा सा
Hello.
चाहिए. वो तो अच्छा है कि दरवाजा खुला है. दोनों जाली है ना.
Hello. Please unmute yourself. Okay, then you come across India. There is the biggest numbers, and in India, which are the state is very very dangerous, or there is highest number of. And you see that there is in India, there is Maharashtra is top number of cases is found in Maharashtra, then the Ladakh, then Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh. In you can observe that, and there is Maharashtra. We are belong to in Maharashtra. There is also that there is very severe condition in Maharashtra. There is highest number of patients till today, and there is numbers about the more than the 1 lakh patients. Patients is occur in India, and the other part of the India there is this distribution of the COVID pandemic is as compared to the Maharashtra is low. Then in Maharashtra, we just think about Maharashtra. There is the big city, or there some city have the hotspot of the COVID-19 pandemic. The Maharashtra is Maharashtra. There is present of the economical capital of the India. There is Mumbai, and the Mumbai is very high number of COVID pandemic patient is found. Then Pune, then Nasik, Aurangabad, and Nagpur. These are the biggest cities. They have the numbers of the patient is high, or hotspot is found in the Maharashtra. Again, the pandemic is come across to the in community or in environment, and ultimately there is effect occur in the Indian economy. You can here observe that there is some graphical pictures. We are observe that what the economical impact has happened. There is the real GDP is fall down, and there is come across to the 1.87%. Then the development levels is just fall down to the 15%, and the current account balance is go to the negative balance, because the Indian GDP is fall down to the 1.26, the 1.87 to the 1.26 in, and you can compare this. There is economies fall down, or there is ultimately there is impact to the all our all we are faced to the this fall down of economy of India. Then The effect of the lockdown or effect of the COVID pandemic is also occur on the environment. There is a emission of the carbons, then wastage, then wild habitat and energy. You think that there is a meanwhile we are observed that, or on the we are seeing the some news on the television, there is a environmental condition there is improved in the lockdown period, and ultimately there is uh, in that situation we think that the COVID is a boon or bad. There is thinking is very important to the in environmental side. There is on the environmental side, COVID is come in the human community. Ultimately, they are boon for the environment, and ultimately there is bad things to the human population or human society. There these things there is the COVID pandemic. They have the in lockdown period. There is impact of the negative effect occur in human community and the positive impact occur in the uh, our environment. Use which in terms of the there is a global health is fall down, economy is fall down, reduction of the reduction in the waste recycling. These are the negative impact occur to the human community, and ultimately there is a positive impact to the environment condition. There is a clean beaches, then decline in air pollution, decline in the nitrogen dioxide concentration, reduction of sound pollution. These are the different type of pollution is fall down due to the lockdown condition, and ultimately there is good or bad this condition we are observed in the lockdown situation of the COVID pandemic. Then which are the precaution measures we need? There is very important. There is precaution is there, preventive precaution is carried out. Ultimately, we no need to the any face the critical condition. Ultimately, first one things to the all every people still today's situation or the there is in till today or last 1 year we are faced to the using the masses, and ultimately they continue to the users of the masses. Then the second situation or second precaution measures we need to the followed by the social distancing. Then use the face shield is also the one important measure for the prevention of the COVID-19. Then use the hand gloves. Then the frequently wash the hand wash with use of soap, and there is also the needed for the precaution measure. Then the use a PPE kit for the health worker. There is also important because the health person they are ultimately directly contact to the COVID pandemic patient, and therefore need to the PPE kit to the that people. There is also need to the disinfectants using uses of the disinfectant for the killing of the this COVID coronavirus, and ultimately there is use of sanitizer, then 70% alcohol, sodium hypochlorite, or surface sterilizer. These are the different type of the chemicals we need to the applied in our life daily life, and ultimately to the away the COVID-19 to yours. Then if any person is come across to the infected, there is also went for the quarantine for the 14 days, and they take the precaution, avoid the contact to the normal person. Ultimately, there is also the one important precaution measure to the infected person. Then the another things to the some medical treatment care needed for the normally that enhance the immunity to yourself. There is you take the arsenic album in depend on the which type of zone is found in our surrounding area. There may be the red zone, take the feel of the 1 week. Then the orange zone, the 15 days, and then green zone is that we take the once in month of the that treatment. Then vitamin C is also the helpful for the improving the your person immunity. Then zinc tablet. Then the you know that the we are all Malaysian people know that there is a suffer from the large number of people in the COVID pandemic, and that time there is one of the homeopathic doctor they prepare the Malaga Okada is very useful for the treatment to our precaution measure. Then nebulization with the hot water, then meditation. There is the before the speaker they also tell about the meditation, yoga, and herbal kada. These are the different treatments, different precaution measures we take it for the enhanced immunity, and ultimately we away from the COVID-19. Then who are the notified the dangerous things to COVID-19? They basically there is old age people is take the more precaution. Then those people have the complex histories such as diabetes, blood pressure patient. Then there is need to the more precaution to the COVID pandemic situation. Which are the basic medical treatment is needed. Then observation of the basic symptoms, then the O2 level, then basic investigation of chest X-ray, then chest MRI, and there is all about it is some symptoms or some precaution that chest X-ray patches is observed in the lungs. Ultimately, those patient sample is sent to the detection of corona, and ultimately they come a corona positive test is that person, then take the proper treatment for that patient. And I am sure that the COVID is easy to cure to take the proper treatment, but proper treatment is very, very important to the COVID pandemic patients, and ultimately it's easy to cure definitely. Then India and whole world there is engaged to the development of the vaccine, and what status of the vaccine we just go to the overview. The India there is development and coming soon the vaccine in shortly in few months in coming days. India they have the three industry or three companies that are working to the development of the vaccine. There is Serum Biotech, there is Covishield vaccine is developed, and there is check the severity or there is about specificity about 95%. Then the Bharat Biotech they have that vaccine have the 90% specificity, and the Cadila they have the 70%. These are the three biotech companies actively engaged to the develop the COVID vaccine. Then international, some other the Pfizer and the BioNTech. These are the two industries in international level there is developed the COVID vaccine, and there is in shortly this vaccine is come in the market. Okay. Lastly, there is I have small message to the all audience and the community. The stay safe, need to the well precaution and to avoid from away from the COVID pandemic. Thank you. Over to the organizer.
Okay.
Any question?
Thank you so much, sir. Very nice and informative lecture given by you. Now it's time for a question and answer. If any participants have any questions, so you can ask directly to the Andale sir by typing your messages to the chat box or directly unmute yourself. Is there any question? Okay, I think the session was obviously very nice, sir, and there is no any query from participants. So I and from our college, on behalf of college and Department of Zoology and Botany, I'm very thankful to all of you, especially Andale sir.
Thank you.
You have given very, very informative and nice lecture on COVID-19. You covered obviously every aspect of COVID-19. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome, sir. Yes.
Madam, also thank you to the invite me. And
Okay. No, very nice, sir. Now I would like to call upon my colleague, Dr. Rumana Khan, ma'am. She will give. Okay. She will give the information about the next resource person of this webinar. So I'd like to call the Dr. Khan Rumana. Please, ma'am.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for such an information. The session was unfashionable.